Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make iPhone keyboard bigger. As you can see right here, if I should go into messages, this is the regular size of an iPhone keyboard. Now to make it bigger, first you'll need to go into settings. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select display and brightness. From here, you're going to scroll down and select View right below Display Zoom. And you want to tap on Zoom. Then you're going to tap on Set in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on Use Zoomed. Once you have done that, whenever you should call on the keyboard of your iPhone, you'll realize that it is a lot bigger now. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.